What is happening, my Paris? What is happening, you all? Yeah. See what is happening? Come the camera, girl. And we have just we are uploading a video for you how we open our Christmas presents. Well, Christmas gone, but it's actually turn year. It doesn't matter to us, okay? So this is how we did our pixie, and then we have this video done for you, so you need to go check it out, y'all. We are gonna leave the link in the description of this video for you all if you have not yet seen it. So you see what happened since after we what more gifts we went around this side. I'm gonna cut one like a plantain. So Sunday morning breakfast, I thought it plant never ready, but the plant ready, man, it ready for fly. Green plant. So look here, I have some green plantain. I just peel. I have the rest of it on the outside. Maybe as the day go along, you will see we leave out of it. It wasn't a big bunch, you know. So it's just me, camera girl, and dad. So I have it in a little salt water soak. So make a fry it, crush it, and that for breakfast. I make a fried saltfish and probably scramble 2 eggs or fry 2 eggs or something to put with it here. And we're gonna have probably like some tea, but not with any milk. We're trying to see if we can cut down on the milk right now because we will have coughing and stuff, and you know, with allergy and drain and all of that. So look here, I'm gonna fry up them plant here. Yeah, and I have my saltfish and soak, so I scrape it off and fry it and fry an egg or 2. So when everything ready and we are eat with saltfish and something, oh yeah, we are go through the day. We at home today. We are go jump around little. You understand? And you know my throat did sick, but it's still not 100. So we are go jump around little today. So as we go along, you know, we see what go on. Yeah. Alright, we breakfast ready. See what me just fast. Me wake up early, so me do. But just fry off the plantain, them fry them, crush them, and refry them. And you know what? Have the video for how we do this on the channel at Best Indian Delight. We are also gonna leave that link for you in the description of this little vlog. I make fry up some saltfish. I just do it chunky, soak it, scald it off, and I just put some onion and vinegar over it. And I just some nice fluffy scrambled egg. I just start out some scrambled eggs. So look here, I gotta put every little thing together now. As I tell you, I just me. Camera girl. My hands clean, so I can just put my husband planting in a plate. Your hands must always be clean, and I feel planting. Yeah. So that not good for me, your camera girl. So we belly long. And I'm gonna give Dad this piece of saltfish, y'all. I'm gonna give him some of the scrambled eggs, and you can use your hand and do it. Are your breakfast? Are your husband? Are your yard? Are your everything? Okay. Camera girl, you eat the whole of the rest of the egg, you know. And look here now. I'm just gonna, it was so easy. I'm just going to put some of the onion with the vinegar. Vinegar is on it, you know. I'm gonna put any pepper because Dad can't manage. I don't like the pepper, I'm allergy. Yeah. So see there all, I'm look at my husband look at Sunday morning quick breakfast this. Yeah. And then now me and camera girl. How much? Oh, this is your plate? How much 100 piece of plant here? 150. When me stop. Put more? Put more? Yes, I know. That's how many party they here. You eat the whole of the scrambled egg. No have no problem. Let me take this because I really like it. And which piece? Me get a piece of saltfish. You want all of this?
No.
You don't want all of the saltfish, yeah?
No.
And it's not salty, y'all. You want some of the onions?
Just a little bit.
That good, man. Alright, you're good with that? Come on, give that. No, man, I eat this. That good like that, eh? So, Parry, that's how we look at Sunday morning breakfast there. And we have one Coke, one bottle. We drank tea, you know. We had some tea because some of the feel and way. So, we went ahead and we made tea. So, we are going to drink some Coca-Cola. And guess what? I'm not even the sister zero Coke. I'm not too like them in because in my estimation, them sweeter than the regular Coke, and them use them artificial sweetener in it. So I'm not too interested in them. But I think that one time, yeah, oops, I'm sorry y'all for this confusion, but you know, we are in the kitchen, yeah, and we have a little bit of camera girl, we have a little teeny bit of barbecue sauce. We just here to it. So we're gonna go to Veranda now, Parry, and we are gonna eat. And we are gonna come back and we are gonna prepare dinner. We are gonna prepare some mega whet your appetite. We are gonna prepare fried chicken, gungo rice and peas, potato salad, and I'm gonna do like a mango carrot drink and maybe 2 festivals. So look here, we have a long day ahead with home. I'm gonna tidy up my room, all kind of look at something. So as we go along, you'll be there with us. Cool.
So as you can see, we're outside now. My mom said she would show you the rest of the plantings, but she's not here, so I'm just gonna show you these. This was, I think, the bunch that we got. She used off most of it off of there just to make breakfast. Yeah. So mommy's out there, raking up. Daddy out there cutting and all those things, trying to like trim up to let the place look a little more look a little bit more neater. So we haven't started dinner as yet. So we're just out here. You know, we haven't started dinner as yet. We're waiting on mom to come back, and when she's back, then we'll start dinner and we'll show you guys what we have done. Okay?
Yeah, Fari, we outside though. You know, so I'm gonna start cook all now though. You know, see what Dada cut the edge in, look. I wanna think him might do. But him kinda leave, cat right now. Then kinda leave and run down the avenue, and deal with something. So cut him a cut and see where they go, we have a wake up. But on the outside here we do not try everything because guess what? The rain look like it gonna come down because Saturday, Friday we had a lot of rain. A whole lot of rain Friday. This big shower for hours, and yesterday again we got some, and it look like we're going to get some today. So see right over there, over there, so we are try see if we can finish cut that one day and rake up and something, but him just run Gandhi with something fast. So that's how the thing look. Him cut the whole lot over here already. Give them a shot in the camera, girl. I don't think that I do a good horticulture. If you don't think that I do anything good with the edging, comment below, comment. Yes, so we're out on the front a Sunday, you know, so dinner should have done cook already Jamaican thing, but guess what? We are finished up on the outside because we are woken up late and we out do and we are trying to fix up and, cut up and rake up and make the place look right and something. When the rain starts, we can in our house and cook, eh? Yeah man, we can do all of that, see? Because guess what? Try remember when you watch that vlog, this is a Jamaican thing. This is a real Debbie Jamaican thing. Yes sir? Yeah man. Yeah man, you see me I tell you, so I have one next plant in a swing cut around a little side part of my house this swimming. So I just cut one this morning and make some for breakfast. I saw the Jamaican thing go. I'm going to have one next one here so soon can cut. Look on my corner, shoot me up down here so camera. I have about, I have two more down here so. And look here, I have a whole host of planting on the street down here so. The Jamaican thing, yeah man. Debbie from down here, you see me in the kitchen I cook. That is why I started this other channel. Come on, you see me real life, and as you go along, you go find more, you go hear more. Mind you, we are on the outside, so you might hear some little machine and stuff. People there next door do them work, so I'm sorry for those noise. You all, yeah. And all of these plants, shoot them up good camera girl when you sit down in the line. Sorry for the little tell you where they're on the outside, so I'm sorry for the noise, y'all. My neighbor gave me one single planting sucker, one single one about 3 to 4 years ago, and I got all of these down here. So yeah man, I have my little plant them around on the side, and as you go along on the Debbie strain, I start sow up some little more callaloo and some little more pak chai and pepper, and we are going to do all of them something. So yeah, night time if you go to school in a camera, the plant them ready. Look at it, give them a good shot. That's soon ready, maybe by weekend we can cut that, yeah? So the thing said, Jamaican thing, yes sir. Yeah guys, so we have one leaf up here, and you know what happened? The leaf right over camera girl bedroom. So we have to get the roof man, and he's gone up to me the other year, and him up on the roof, and him go sort it out to me. See? So we still up on the outside, and we're next door to some of the kitchen in there. You can hear them pressure cooker in them out. Me from move by the kitchen like that. So we have the roof man up there, so and him go sort out the leak there, yeah. So guys, we finished on the outside for today. Honestly we finished on the outside for today. So give them a little shook right on the camera girl. That cut edging from that side, right round and cut the trees and so on. And you see me get, I had a palm tree and somebody threw something at the root and then killed it. So me get back another one here from the neighbor. And that cut all of there and him rake up. We just have like leaves over there for take up and stuff. And if you hear anything in the background, people starting to play music, I know them are going to ring in the New Year's and all of that and so on. So this is how the outside look. We are finished for the day on the outside, and it has been an hectic day, a real crazy day. So This is how we look at front yard look right now and all of that, okay? So we'll go back inside, eh? So y'all Paris, when they're back on the inside, I'm finished with outside. There are things out there. It's really not finished. But honestly, I'm finished for the here and the outside. And me my road out there, most working inside here. So look here. I promised camera girl send me a cook curry chicken, but I'm tired. So I'm just gonna fry the chicken. So I did a ball chicken and fry inside here. Yeah. And all of that. Nice pretty chicken. So we'll turn up the chicken. We'll be finished. Go rice and peas finished. Because we have been working. Sorry for the noise. So I'm from gungo rice and peas finished. Yeah. I'm gonna make the mango juice now. Mango and carrot. And we have some chicken salad that we did for the main channel. We just uploaded it. We are just uploading it. We did it with video and we are uploading it. So we're not going to bother with no potato salad today. We are going to use some of that for the lettuce, because the lettuce. But we need the link for you who have not yet on that channel. But I guess most of you all will be on that channel. So you are going to see that video before you really see this one. Okay, that video is finished. It's uploading as we speak. So you will see this video, that video, before you tune if this vlog is published. So we're frying the chicken, we have the salad in there, we're gonna make the mango juice, and that's like what we're doing. I have all of these chicken left inside here, so do. For fryer, for me I have to just fry and I have to change my plans because I have to try if I can cut out early and stuff or get some rest, because that has work tomorrow, which you never planned for. But not unfortunately, fortunately, because when you have work, it's not unfortunately. Fortunately, that has work tomorrow. So I have to get my thing up and, you know, to get up to fixing breakfast. He's not a person that eats everything before I'm going, but busy with two scar legs and a cup of tea and a slice of toast. So I have to go get up early to fix in something before I leave, because he's gonna leave out early. And that's how we're going with things. So when you see us now, my chicken I go finish fry off. I might show you when we're doing the juice as well, which juice we finish and this. I'm just gonna leave everything and make everybody come dish and help themselves. Because I'm so tired. When I get to do no work in my room, nothing like that. But you know what happened? It is what it is. I still give thanks for today. The roof man go up there and we find other leaks that were up there. And I didn't plan for money spending, but I had to pay because he came and he worked. So I have to wait for the rain again to see if them leak get fixed. So it is what it is. It's been a hectic day so far, y'all. I've done 2 videos for the main channel, uploaded one already. One is uploading now, and we are still videoing for the Jamaican dividends and all of that. But you know what happened? We are giving thanks for life that we can be up and about. Alright? Yes, my Paris, I just finished and didn't get to cook the curry chicken. I'm just so tired, as I told you. So by the time you see this vlog, you will already this is up already on the Debbie Debs on the West Indian Delight. So made jerk chicken salad. So instead of doing potato salad, we're just gonna have this. So my salad, rice and peas, gungo rice and peas, 1 bowl of fried chicken. You see me right here. I have my thing, mango carrot, and I'm just going to take a little rest now. Tomorrow girl will come and just I tell her what to do, and she gonna make a pot of gravy and everybody gonna serve themselves, and that's it. I'm drained, I'm tired. But you know what happened? I have to come back to end the vlog, so when I come back and you see me, I might just dish out some food for that. I don't know what time I'm gonna eat tonight, if I'm gonna eat, because I'm so drained. But you know what happened? I'm sorry that you're not gonna see us eat, because you know I'm tired. I'm so tired. I'm so tired, y'all. But I'm just showing you the finished product. As somebody now look and all like that. And yeah, man, you might think this is a big bowl of fried chicken, but them used to it, man. From me used to do lunches, and so them used to the big bowl and something of fried chicken. Because sometimes you cook and business not as good as some days, so we have left back and stuff and all of that. And sometimes I just cook enough, and I just cook enough, and some cook sometimes. So when you see me back again, I can guarantee you I will not be in the kitchen. I'll be at a different location inside my house. Okay, y'all? So I am in bed, y'all. When mama tell me so, I'm gonna see me back again and see me in the kitchen for the rest of the night. I don't have a clue what is happening. inside there, but I've gotten my bath. I just have to just up out now when I'm ready to go get my teeth clean. I have my remote them and my TV over right there, so you know, I hit my computer before me, and it was an hectic day. But you know what? I give God thanks that I could have, you know, make it through the day. And you know what happened, you all? Go check out the jerk chicken salad. When you see this vlog, it will be up already, but we're still gonna leave the link in the description. You go check it. It was a bomb. I had some. My girl dished my dinner, and I had my dinner. I didn't have a lot because it's sort of late for me to be eating so much. So you know what happened? We're just about gonna end this little New Year's Eve vlog for now. So we see you when we see you again. And the last vlog we had when we were eating is, you know, Tori come to bomb. You know, we're like under 4 hours away from 2018. So you know what happened? Bless 2018. I know when you see this, 2018 will already be here. But I just want to extend my most, you know, blessings, everything that is good for you and yours for the new year. Thank you for making us to reach 100 subscribers and counting on the Debbie Deb stream. Thank you so much. And we're going to leave you with this. What is your resolution for New Year's? Comment below if you've got one. If you're like me that you don't really make any, fine, no problem. But if you've got one, you want to share it, no problem. Share it in the comments below. And the Jamaican proverb of the day is, okay, the higher the monkey climb, I'm more exposed. Okay? The one before was in know to where it come to bomb. Yeah, in know everything come out to light. Everything is here, everything has happened. Just that's what it simply means. Okay, and if it don't make no sense, maybe I'm just tired, y'all. So we'll see you when we see you again. It will be a new year. And as usual, you know I always leave you with this. Do not let the evil around you take control of you. Stay up on top of things until when this train start up back again. See you. Bless 2018. Okay, y'all?